Boredom, we've been taught to see it as a void, an annoying blank space in our hyper-productive schedules. But what if it isn't a void at all? What if it's the fertile ground where genius secretly takes root? In our world of endless feeds and constant notifications, we treat boredom like a problem to be solved, an enemy to be vanquished with a quick scroll or a new tab. The moment a sliver of quiet appears, we rush to fill it, terrified of what we might find or not find in the silence. But this feeling we run from is actually a quiet invitation. It's a signal from your mind that it's ready to switch gears. When your brain isn't glued to the immediate dopamine hits of external stimulation, it doesn't just shut down. It wakes up in a different way. Scientists call this the default mode network, your brain's internal architect. This is the system that activates when you stop focusing on the outside world and allow your attention to drift inward. It's not just a mental playground. It's a sophisticated cognitive state where your mind gets to work on its most important projects. In this state, your brain starts wandering, connecting weird ideas from a book you read last year with a problem you're facing at work. It begins daydreaming, rehearsing future conversations, and re-examining old memories from new angles. This is the process of incubation, where the problems you've been consciously wrestling with are handed over to your subconscious to be solved offline. Every time we pull out our phone to kill a few minutes in line, we are interrupting this vital process. We are robbing our minds of the unstructured time it needs to make those surprising leaps of insight. So how do we reclaim this space? You start small. You don't need to book a silent retreat. Just try sitting with the dull for 60 seconds. Next time you're waiting for the coffee to brew or for a file to download, resist the urge to scroll. Put the phone away. Simply look out the window. Notice the way the light hits the leaves on a tree. Listen to the ambient sounds of the room. Let your mind drift without a destination. At first, it might feel uncomfortable, even agitated. That's the withdrawal from constant stimulus. But stick with it. Or try a boredom walk. Leave your headphones and your phone at home. Just walk around your block with no goal other than to walk. Pay attention to your own thoughts as they bubble up. Don't judge them, just observe. When you do this, you'll start to notice the random sparks, half-baked plots for a story, a new way to phrase a difficult conversation, unexpected solutions to emails you've been putting off, a tune stuck in your head that could be a chorus. These are the whispers from your default mode network. Boredom creates the cognitive space necessary for creativity to grow. It's like tilling the soil. You're not planting the seed just yet. You're preparing the ground so that when a seed of an idea does arrive, it has a place to land and flourish. And don't panic. You don't need a dramatic, world-changing epiphany every time you're bored. That's not the point. The point is to cultivate a new relationship with your own mind. Those small weird thoughts are the seedlings of bigger ideas. That fleeting image you had while staring at a wall could become the central theme of your next project. That random connection between two unrelated concepts might be the innovative solution your team has been searching for. So, embrace the blank page. Welcome the empty moments. Intentionally schedule short boredom breaks into your day. Treat them as seriously as you would any other meeting. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. It's an investment in your own creative capital. Turn that silence you once feared into your secret laboratory, a private space where your mind is free to experiment, to play, and to build. Start bored, finish brilliant. Your next great idea isn't on a screen or in a notification. It's waiting for you in the quiet. All you have to do is show up and listen.